Good afternoon. I am Nnamani Amarachukwu Joy, third year pharmacy in this great institution, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. Actually, pharmacy has been a driving force that when I look around at what's happening in the world, I know that there is a place for me here. Last session, we did the basics in science, and then I got to know that, wow, my body is really great, so I can do this, I can do that. And then when I see people react to some certain things, my mind will just tell me, oh, because what I've been taught, this is actually what's happening to them. And now that I'm now in the full business, in this third year, I have so many splendid lecturers that has been teaching us so much, mind-blowing lectures that when you have them, you feel so happy. And then why I want to study pharmacy, or why I'm studying pharmacy, is because pharmacy is not just a normal profession, it's a noble cause. And outside world, many people are in need, and we treat lives. When I go out there, I know that I'll be the closest person, more like a doctor, not actually a doctor, because they can easily call you, hey, can you help me with this? Can you help me with that? Because they know what you carry. Not just administering drugs. I'm there to give them counsel, tell them how to get up from their abuse in case someone is abusing a drug or something. Like, there are so many opportunities. Is it industrial? I'm there. So pharmacy gives us a lot of scope to venture into and make the world a better place.